UFC sports. It's in the game.
All right, straight ahead, we'll get to this lightweight bout between Khabib Nurmagomedov and Néйт Diaz. Well, enjoy him while he's here, folks, because you never know if this will be the last time we see Néйt Diaz in the UFC. With a fan base really as big as any fighter in the sport, Diaz is back tonight, and we're glad to see him.
Stockton, stand up. This guy has a cult following. He is one of the most interesting guys in the UFC because he has this sense that he really doesn't care to be here, but he also doesn't feel as comfortable anywhere but in the octagon. So it's a love-hate relationship with fighting for Néйt Diaz. When he's happiest, when he's best, he's fighting in the UFC. A guy that boxes, unbelievable, but I think it's the attitude of Néйt Diaz that has made him into one of the biggest stars that we've ever seen in the octagon.
He had a couple of life-changing paydays against Conor McGregor, the win at UFC 196, the majority decision loss at UFC 202.
Which to this day he says he won, right?
He thinks he won that fight. But one thing goes without saying, and I'll say it anyway, when Néйt Diaz fights, the world is watching, and that is the case yet again here tonight. All right, here he is, DC. In my mind, this is the most dominant force in the MMA game today. The undisputed UFC lightweight champion, your AKA teammate, Khabib Nurmagomedov.
Yeah, and for Khabib, it's the well-rounded skill set that has propelled him to one of the longest undefeated streaks in mixed martial arts history. No missteps, no mistakes, no underestimation of opponents, always prepared, always ready to go, and he can rely on the coaching he gets, also on the ability that he has to carry him to victory time and time again. Wrestling, sambo, jiu-jitsu, striking, the guy has it all.
I know you listed striking last, but your head coach, Javier Mendez, says sometimes he's going southpaw in training. We haven't seen just how good a striker he is. We saw shades in the McGregor fight.
Yes.
But not completely.
But technically, he has so many skills that he has not even displayed to the MMA community yet.
All right, another big spot for Khabib Nurmagomedov here tonight. Well, I know your New Orleans Saints haven't won a Super Bowl in a while, but a Super Bowl feel in this arena tonight as Néйt Diaz takes on your teammate, Khabib Nurmagomedov.
We won one last year in Madden, and those count. Khabib Nurmagomedov.
Oh, big knee! Well, he's up, but he is hurting for certain. The finish could come at any time. Oh, big left hook there! Well, he has certainly found the range and staying pretty busy here on the feet.
He's being busy, but it's also the timing and the accuracy that's allowing him to land so many attacks.
Oh, blocks the shot.
Big kick land.
Well, we talked about his reach advantage off the top. Made good use of it there with that punch, DC.
Another clinch position.
And this might just be a matter of time.
Oh!
The sheer will is really remarkable to watch. Under 3 minutes to go in round one.
Good stick.
That's a nice throw! Huge right hand!
He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Both guys landing big shots. Oh, how about it? Leapt up and delivered the diving punch to the head. 27 total strikes have now landed for Khabib Nurmagomedov. Under 2 minutes to go. Back to his feet.
Real sneaky body.
Yeah, looks a little wobbly on his feet.
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
Oh, big knee!
Oh, he's hurt bad. He's hurt bad, John. He's got to press him. He's got to go chase that finish down now.
blocks the punch. That one appeared to stun him.
What a fantastic strike to throw at the exact right moment. He deserves this moment. Go finish this fight. Oh, nice.
Brilliant submission defense there.
Oh, hurt.
Big strike lands.
Big strike lands. Now he will try to chase down that.
Goes down again. Back to the feet. Oh, straight right. And just like that, the fight is over.
He got him. Oh, my goodness, what a fight.
Yeah, that right there is a high-level knockout, ladies and gentlemen. Crowd absolutely loving it. Just a perfect shot to end the fight. Landed flush. I'm not even sure his opponent saw it coming. So a huge, huge win for that young fighter here tonight. Well, he's going to enjoy watching this one back. Let's take a look at the replay of the knockout just a moment ago.
It was right hand after right hand after right hand. Finally, he found the one that hit the exact sweet spot that ended his opponent's night.
The official decision is in. Here's Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Dean has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 54 seconds of the very first round. Declaring the winner by knockout, Khabib